Hi guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. My name is Francesco, as you probably already know. I'm a travel vlogger and my account on Instagram is Francesco Mancini Style. As you can see below, make sure you check this out if you want to know more about my traveling. But today, as you probably see in the title of this vlog, I will give you some tips of where to stay and what to visit if you ever visit Ubud in Bali. We are at the moment at Desa Visesa resort here in Bali, which is the capital of the culture, of Balinese culture in the island. I'm really excited to show you around this resort because this resort has something magical around it. You can experience that kind of Balinese culture, but also you can experience the nature, because as you can see, for example, I'm talking right now from my balcony, from my room, and behind me there is just so much. But we are not here to talk only about that, because we are here also to talk about what to visit in Ubud if you ever stay here in Ubud. We will be showing you rice terraces, waterfalls, and the best spot to visit. As a first thing, I would like to show you around the room and the resort.
For sexy dinner.
Can you tell us what you're doing?
It's called Chanel number 59.
What is that?
Sexy flavor. Mosquito dye, it says.
Okay. So where are we going?
We're going for a romantic dinner.
Yeah.
That's why we did all this fragrance.
Okay.
And
But where? The romantic dinner where?
at the restaurant of the Visesa.
Okay.
And we're so hungry.
Yeah.
I hope it's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good for sure. Let's go. After an amazing dinner at the Lombung restaurant here at the Desa Visesa resort, it's time to get some sleep, because tomorrow the alarm is set at 6 AM. We are going to shoot and to take you around the waterfalls and the rice terraces for the sunrise. So stay tuned guys and keep watching this vlog. So we just arrived at Tegalalang rice terraces and we are looking for the best spot for shooting. We also saw a lot of signs like this one that I have right here, where I believe there's some kind of swing. So let's check it out what it is over there. A bit sweaty after this visit at the Tegalalang Bali terraces, but as you can hear on the background, it's full of tourists at the moment, so lucky we actually came at 7 AM to the shot. It's beautiful, but you have to sometimes there's like some kind of donations, so you have to pay. I didn't pay anything, just say that you don't have money, that's it. So it's early morning and we just arrived at the waterfall. I don't remember the name, I will actually write in the description. And it should be down there. You pay an entrance of 15k rupiah. Tegenungan, I think is the name. And here we have also a little baddie. So guys, I hope you enjoy this little trip at the Tegenungan Waterfall. Finally I can pronounce it good. But now we are going back to the hotel, and I believe our adventure is coming to an end. I would like to thank you so much for watching again this vlog, and also I hope you enjoyed this adventure with me around Desa Visesa resort, but also around Ubud. Those are just few of the places where you actually can go while you're staying here in Ubud. But guys, if you really like this vlog, don't forget to actually leave a thumbs up below and also comment if you want. And the most important thing, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe on my channel, because this will help me growing and improve my channel as well. And also, if you really like this hat, well, this is my hat, you're not gonna get one the same. It's handmade and I'm really proud to have it, even though in the other part of the camera there is Roberta laughing at me. Ciao!